Hi guys, this is Nishita and welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be super interesting because I'm going to do something really fun. But before that, I was just getting ready and I wanted to take you guys through my morning skincare routine. I've been using like really minimal products because drum rolls, the water here has been really harsh on my skin and I'm breaking out like crazy, so I've kept the products really minimal. But I was running out of my sunscreen lotion and I really wanted one. It's really gloomy today, but mind you guys, even if it's gloomy, wear your sunscreen every single day. So I got this one from Supergoop, the Unseen sunscreen, which has an SPF of 40. I've heard so much about this that I had to get it, and I was really confused before getting my sunscreen lotion because there are like so many products available here. It kind of becomes really stressful to choose a product. But I came across this app called Glam Eye, which made it super easy for me. It's basically like a beauty AI app which helps you choose products according to your concerns, skin type, expectations. So all you gotta do is first download the app and start the AI taste search. Use the pick feature, then choose a vertical, like you can choose face, lip, eye, and then there are also a lot of other categories to explore from. Because I was looking for a sunscreen lotion, I picked up morning routine, care routine, and also breathable, and then it displays like a lot of products to choose from. Then I picked the sunscreen that I thought would suit me, and then you just have to click on shop and then it'll take you to Sephora app from where you can buy your product. The main reason why I like Glam Eye is because in this day and age where there are like millions of products available, this app really personalizes it for you. Like it gives you exactly what you want. So that is something I really wanted to share with you guys. Now I'm just going to apply my sunscreen. And like always, like I've cut it down to 2 fingers. I used to initially apply 3 fingers, but I think this one works just fine for me, like 2 fingers of sunscreen. So I love it. I feel like this is just so perfect for like the skin type that I have. It is not oily at all, non-greasy. That is exactly what I look for in my sunscreen. Once we are done with the sunscreen, of course, we go for like a nice cheek tint, and this one's of course from the Body Shop. Just gonna do that a little bit and then blend it all in. Just a little bit on my lip as well, and we are good to go. Today is a Saturday and we are going thrift shopping. I have my friend here with me, Jessica. So she's gonna show me around. What place are we going to?
Plato's Closet.
Plato's Closet. I'm super excited because I've never thrift shopped before. This is my first time. It's Saturday and I think the rains in Toronto literally smell the weekend, and it's again raining, so I hope we don't get wet and I hope the trip is a success. Okay. We're finally done shopping and we are headed for lunch now. Where are we going? Subway? Yes. Jessica is a Leo and she's getting this one. This is so pretty. I wanted to get Sagittarius too, but they had no stock. Alright guys, so we are just done and we are going back home, and Jessica is already sleeping. So we're going to show you a haul tomorrow of what all we got. We did not get much, but whatever we got are like bomb.com. I cannot wait to show you guys. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I'm ready to give you guys a mini haul. Before I get started with the haul, let me first tell you a little more about the place that we went to. So it's called Plato's Closet. It's in this place called Richmond Hill in Toronto, and yeah, it's basically like a thrift store. And also the best part about this is you can, take your stuff and you can sell them too. So basically I took like 4 items and I sold them for a price, like they quote a price, and if you're happy with it you can go ahead and sell it, or you can also come again the next day and ask for a little more, and then based on their reasons and stuff, the entire process takes place. So that's about it. They had like a lot of cool stuff, like they had everything from skirts to pants to tops to dresses, you name it, and they had it all. And the best part was they also had some accessories and makeup and skincare, but I really did not like anything much in that section, so I didn't really get anything. But Jessica got like a necklace which is super pretty. I'm gonna show that to you as well. They also had a trial room, so it was really easy to test and see if you really want to get something. That's about everything about the place. Let me get started with the haul. So the first thing that I got is this skirt. So it's basically like a striped skirt and it's like an A-line skirt. So this is how it looks. It's like an A-line skirt. I'm really into skirts. I hate wearing pants, and skirts are mostly my thing. And this was like basic and nice. I can just pair this up with like a t-shirt and like a pair of white sneakers and I'm good to go. And this was priced at $10, which I thought was good. And this is from this brand called Gap. So if you can see, they mention it all there. And yeah, this is from Gap. So this is the first thing that I got, and the next one is a top. So as soon as I entered the store, I literally found this and I just knew I wanted to get this. I love the color and I think the color looks super pretty on me. So it's like a nice, bottle green pleated top, and this is from this brand called Ann Taylor. And yeah, I really like how flowy and girly this is, and this was also not very costly. Again, this was for $10 as well. So yeah, these are the 2 things that I got. Jessica bought like 3 things. Currently she's busy, that's why she's not here in the video, but I'm just gonna insert pictures of the stuff that she got so that you guys have an idea as well. So she got this beautiful colored corduroy skirt which I thought was really cool. You can again pair this up with like a t-shirt, sneakers, and you're good to go. And she also got this mesh body hugging top which I thought was amazing. Like for the price, I think it was around $5. For that price it was totally worth it. And like I mentioned earlier, she also got this delicate necklace which I thought was really. With that, we have reached the end of today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it. If you have any other video suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. I'm also planning to go skincare shopping because I'm running out of my cleanser, my sunscreen and other products. Let me know if you would want to come shopping with me. I will definitely love to shoot a video like that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram for more daily updates. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye.